Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and oh my goodness, I have fell down the rabbit hole. I swore that when I did the poll last year asking you if you would like a separate website, a lot of people commented that they didn't like that other YouTubers have websites, and so they don't. A lot of people appreciate the fact, I guess, that I'm saying that I do directly link my job leads in the YouTube description box below this video, so that you don't have to go searching for the job lead. You can go straight to it, see if it is still available, and get that application in. But I'm finding it harder and harder to share outside of YouTube, where you cannot directly link things without just having a website that I can tell people to go to. I've had comments in the past on my videos that said, why do you talk so much when we can just read it? So I'm trying to give a little bit of something for everyone. My YouTube videos will still be up if you're interested in watching the video, listening to the audio. And then if you want to apply, still trying to make it easy for you to find that link, but still also having a way for those people to come read them if you don't want to listen to me ramble on. Not everyone likes to listen to me talk, and that's absolutely fine. So I have fell down the rabbit hole and created a website. Now, I just created it this afternoon. Please bear with me. I am not a design guru or a tech guru, so it is going to be a work in progress. I still have to give up like disclaimers and privacy policies and all kind of pages on this website. So over the next few weeks, I will be working to try to get it to a place of completion. However, I am still making it as easy as pie for you to find the job leads and get those applications in. That is my whole goal with this channel, is just to help you find the perfect work from home jobs, weed through the scams, and also make it easy for you. And I would never not do that on the count of trying to get page views, ad views, and all of that. So I just wanted to share the website and kind of how it's going to work and get your feedback to see if there's anything else, if anyone out there has any ideas on how I could still have a website but simplify and make things easy for you. So I know a lot of YouTubers will like tell you to go find this website and you got to navigate the website. What I am doing, instead of having one page where all my job leads are on, each job lead is going to be its own page and post on the website. So I posted, trying to create this, the two job leads that I posted earlier. One is the Allegis transcription job, and the other one is the Affirm job. So these are completely different, their own pages on my website, which will have their own page URL. So when you come to the main page of the website, you'll be able to see the most recent job postings. They'll be with the little YouTube banner, and you can click on them. And when you do click on them, it'll be the title of the video, the little thumbnail, and all of the information if you want to read the complete job description. I'm basically copying and pasting this straight from the job description websites. And up here in the title bar, each page has its own URL. So that's the URL that I'm going to be posting in the YouTube description box. So you're not going to have to come scroll through to find job leads. It's going to bring you directly to the page for that specific job lead so that you can still get to that job lead. Now, if you've already watched the YouTube video and you just scroll all the way to the bottom, make it easy as pie, there's a big, huge green apply now button. If you click that button, it's going to take you straight to that job lead where you can put your application in. So again, I am trying to make it very quick and easy to get to the application where you don't have to scroll and search for it. Above that, there's a few things I do want to point out. You can get directly from my YouTube channel by hitting this little link, or there's a big YouTube banner down at the bottom. You can click that. It'll take you directly to my YouTube channel. And there's a few ways if you want to sort and look at past job leads. If you click the little 3 lines, hamburger buttons in this little bar here, you can click by categories, and I will be creating categories as we go along. If you're looking specifically for part-time, if you just click on part-time, it'll only show you part-time job leads, or you can click on full-time. It'll show you things that are full-time job leads. Those same options are down in the bottom of the website bar as well. All right, so let me know down below if you have any other ways that I can, besides directly linking to a page and not making you scroll and search for it, if you have any other suggestions on how I could make this easy as pie for you, but still have a website that I can link and share on other social media platforms, please let me know down below. Give me your thoughts and comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.